fold the laundry fold the laundry は洗濯物を畳むという意味です。Fold the laundry and put them in the drawer nice and neat 洗濯物を畳んできれいに引き出しにしまいましょう。I don't like to fold laundry, so I hung them in the closet. 洗濯物を畳むのが嫌いだから私はクローゼットに吊るすの。So you do the laundry, fold them, and put them away. It's a lot of work, but it needs to be done. There's a lady called Komari who is an expert in folding the laundry and organizing them. When I first saw her showing how to fold the laundry on YouTube video, I thought she was crazy, but now I have a lot of respect for her.I actually follow her Komari method to fold my laundries now. Thanks for listening.